Hello everyone, I would like to review the microphone that uses Bluetooth. The brand is Razer, yeah. It will be SEIREN BT. So today I'm gonna unbox it. That's a Bluetooth microphone for mobile streaming. So this have omnidirectional microphone. Yeah, so it means you can record the voice to two sides. It's a powerful noise suppression and customization. I'll check it out because now I do ASMR and also some vlog too, so I need to do a little bit noise cancellation. I don't want a wireless clip-on design, so you can have a clip on it. And this brand again is a Razer. And what is it here? It's a soy ink. So this ink is designed is made by soy. So this is omnidirectional microphone for crisp natural vocal at any angle. Yep, so any angle can do. Powerful noise suppression and customization with the Razer streaming mobile app. So you can use the app for this, I reckon. Wireless clip-on design. So today it's a seamless home-based vlogging, so perfect. Include 2 wind socks. So this is got a cover, a microphone cover. Compatible with all mobile phones. So at the moment I'm using iPhone, so I check it out. So what inside of this? This is Razer SEIREN BT Type C and Type A cable, foam windsock and furry windsock. Important product information guide. What needed devices with Bluetooth audio capability. Alright, I'm gonna open it. We open from this side, yeah. So it look like you open, like unbox it by this. Perfect, yeah. And this is the guide. What is that here? So we need to charge it, yeah. Alright. So this is the it's time to get seen and be heard. Yeah, really good. This is the guide. We'll read it later when we have time. Anyway, this is the microphone. You have a look at it. This microphone, this is a clip, Razer. Yeah, and what is this button here? Have a look. This button here is the press and hold for 2 sec will be on, and press and hold for 4 sec will be off. So this is on and off. And the flash here is it will be if it flash and show that the battery going low. If it's low battery, it will be flashing. And this is a clip. Look, clip. Yeah. And what is it? I'll put a very good here. Take it off. Yeah, there's nothing here, just a mold. And this is a cable. Yeah, it's a cable. Have a look what the cable is. Again, we open this side. So there's 2 cables. Oh no, 1 cable. One is for the device. Yeah, look. The hole here. Yeah, we got the cable. So this cable, this one will go to here, and it can be charged by the plug or any plug, like you charge on your phone. Yeah, so this is, look, thing here. Yeah, you can charge any for computer or any plug. Take it out. Yep. And also we have this too. That is a very interesting part. Have a look. Got this. So good. So how we do this? We might just, this is, I don't know, what is that? maybe this is a the whole microphone, so it's a little bit hard to put it in, but just wanna make sure that all the edges is covered. The head is like this. It's very hard to put it in, but gotta find a way to put it because it is fit. It need to be fit like this. So all good, yeah. All good, yeah. Oh, yep, good. Okay, plug it in out and have a look at the other one. This one is double phone, yeah. Oh, that's easier. This is much easier. I might try this. I will try this by the next vlog. Bye bye.